We are here in our new factory. We can see we have a full workshop is in building. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to drive. Now we are going to the front between the second workshop and the third workshop. But we can see this workshop we haven't added any class yet. This one we have installed a class. Now we are driving in one of them. We can see inside. We are going to put our equipment inside the workshop and build the production line of semi-trailer. There, that is our office inside the workshop. So we shall open the window in the future after we finish it. Then we can see outside from the inside of the office. Is the temporary office to build those workshops, and those areas are all belong to us. We haven't to do the harden the land yet. We can drive to the keep driving. We can see the temporary office here, and this is the last workshop. We are still doing the hard surface. Those areas all belong to us. One of the inside workshop in build. We are building the structure, steel structure, to make sure everything is in order. How it looks from the inside our factory to see the gate. And this side is our office. We are still decorating it. The glass wall is our office, and the back of there is our workshop. We have a more empty land. It would be the stocking trailer. More land here, so we haven't do anything yet. Okay, this is how it looks for our new facility. So, see you guys later. Thanks. I'm driving out back to our workshop to see other trailers. Bye.